In the case against Casey, a new judge's order clears the way for prosecutors to show photographs of Casey's tattoo in her upcoming murder trial.
A local criminal defense attorney says this could be as effective as having a confession from Casey to the murder of her child.
West 2's Bob Keeling joining us live right now with more. And Bob, how is a tattoo the same as a confession?
Well, Martha, according to our legal consultant, the tattoo helps prosecutors argue that Casey's goal in getting rid of Kaylee was exactly what was written in her tattoo. Around 2 weeks after Kaylee disappeared, Casey got the tattoo to celebrate her new Bella Vita, or beautiful life. Why would Casey Anthony go into a South Orlando tattoo shop and have the words La Bella Vita, or the beautiful life, tattooed on her shoulder? Defense attorney Richard Hornsby says prosecutors could argue it's an admission to Kaylee's murder.
The tattoo is going to be a very critical piece if used correctly, because it could be argued that it is as much a confession as Casey Anthony admitting to it herself.
On July 2nd, 2008, 16 days after Kaylee was last seen alive, employees remember Casey coming into the shop, getting the tattoo, and giving no indication her daughter was missing or in danger. Days later, they say she came back in again and claimed Kaylee was fine.
Danny asked how she was doing, and she said she was doing pretty good, that to keep it with the nanny.
Hornsby says prosecutors will make the case that the tattoo was part of Casey's plan to celebrate being free from Kaylee, that with Kaylee's death, her own beautiful life had begun.
And unless she takes a stand, this will be just resonating with the jury as a confession.
And Hornsby says there's also nothing stopping prosecutors from asking that Casey be required to stand up, bare her left shoulder, and show the tattoo to the jury during the trial. Scott?